Hi, my name is Victor with Selfix, and I have an iPhone right here where both cameras aren't working. So today I'm going to show you how we can swap that out in under just 15 minutes.
All right, let's get started.
Alright, first what we want to do first is power the device off. Get this bit off.
What usually causes problems with the cameras?
Some cases where the software, like any updates, can short out the camera, or the battery can have something to do with it. And also water damage. So if you get your devices wet, that could be the cases where, especially being the cameras is a very delicate area where it can short out when water touches that area. And I know a lot of people love their selfie cameras, so
How often do you guys see this problem?
um, quite often actually. We get a lot of customers within a day. They came in right away. As soon as their camera's not working, they come right to us, because like I mentioned before, that selfie camera, and especially with the with iPhones and their top quality cameras that they're known for. People really love their cameras. Alright, back camera is on. Now I just need the front. And I forgot to mention earlier that we also disconnect the battery because, like I said, the cameras are very fragile and it's shorting anything out, especially using metal tools to disconnect them. We don't want any power current running through them and do any damage to the motherboard and even the new cameras that we're installing. When we work on a lot of our customers' devices, we want to make sure we work with safety in mind. Alright, let's just power it on. Double check that the cameras are working.
Thank you for calling Celtics. How can I help you? Yeah, we do. It kind of depends on which one it is. If you want to bring it in, we can take a look at it and look up the exact model and tell you exactly how much it could be.
And it took a while to load, but right there you go. Now it's working.
Yeah, let me
In under just 15 minutes or less.
Pro.
All right.
You know how
This
big-
case less.